Welcome back, dear cooking enthusiasts. Today we're gonna cook plov. Start by adding oil in a pot. Then add 500 grams of chicken or turkey. Remove the meat from the pot. In the same pot, cook 1 diced onion. In for cloves of minced garlic. Fry till golden. Then add 3 to 4 sliced carrots. And add back the meat. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix, mix, mix. Then layer 300 grams of rice on top. Carefully add chicken broth until the rice is covered. Add to bay leaves and let it cook for 40 minutes at medium-low heat. Finally, mix before serving. Now you have a delicious traditional wedding dish. Enjoy!